We have reached Seolim and this is where we are staying. It's
Main chef Anush and sous chef Jace.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we are in Goa. We are in Ashwim right now. So we've reached very early. Our check-in will be at around 8 or 9. And we have like 2-3 hours to kill.
So we're going to have breakfast right now, then we'll go and check it.
We are done with breakfast and we are going to Seolim. So right now we are in Morjim. We have stayed in Morjim I think a few months back when we visited Goa. You can check out my previous vlogs. So now let's go to the Airbnb and check in.
I'll call her. Hi, Anush here. We have reached the building. आ गए हम ये गेट के अंदर लिए. हाँ.
202. That one. We have reached Seolim and this is where we are staying. It's a very beautiful flat. We booked it through Airbnb. So I'll show you the place. There's a sofa here. And a few books are kept here. And this side is the TV. And over here, there's another place to sit, like a small seating arrangement. And the view is so beautiful. I'll show you. So this is a view from this window. Okay. And kitchen is over here. Kitchen is this side of the hall. So basically the hall is divided in two parts. One part is the living area and the other part is kitchen. It's a very small dining table. There's a washing machine, wash basin, and fridge is over here. So this is the entrance. So as you enter, on this side is the living area and this side is kitchen. I'll show you the bedroom. This is a bedroom. We reached in the morning, we slept and we just got up some time back. So this is the bedroom. Washroom is over here. This is the washroom. And this is a balcony.
This is veg thali, special veg thali. This is paratha and paneer. And this is chole and rice.
It has sweet or gulab jamun.
Sweet. So let's dig in.
It's around 7 o'clock now and we are going out. We don't know where we are going. We'll just go to some beach, Morjim, Ashwim or any other beach nearby. We'll go for dinner and that's it. That's the plan. Where are we going? Morjim. Morjim is 7 kilometers. Oh, beautiful.
So on your right hand side is a small stream which looks dry, but it's a stream and it's called Anjuna River.
Anjuna River. This is like the ideal time to come to Goa because you get to see all these decorations and the lighting. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we are going out for breakfast. We are in Seolim right now and this is where we are staying. This is Chapora River. This one, na? Cafe Brother.
Sir, खा लेते हैं. ले go. apa चाहिए? ये शॉर्ट सच
Thank you.
मला 4 बांधून द्या. मिरची भजी. मिरची भजी 4. हां बांधून. कत आहे वाटा?
200.
प्रॉन्स साठी
No.
These are big.
No, these are big ones. Same it is, that one and this one. Ask for the price.
कसे दिले? 600 किलो. All same?
ये 400.
Take 1 kilo.
हाँ बोल देना. वो उसका प्राइस पूछ लेना. कैसे दिले?
ये 1800.
800 किलो. आने वाले?
550.
500 दिल गए. 1 किलो.
550.
नोट चलेंगे? दे 1 किलो. 1 किलो टाक.
Cleaning is possible.
क्लीन करून देते. क्लीन.
क्लीन करना ना?
हाँ. कसे दिला वाटा?
And this one?
This one 6 piece. 100.
Bangla, that lady is nice. Come here.
Hello.
हे कसे दिले बांगडा? हां दिस
कसे घातले हो बांगडे?
200.
दोन वेगळे दे.
ती मला मुझे बता के नहीं गई थी ना इसलिए
Breakfast done. It was very tasty and we could feel the taste of local food, you know. It was very good. And we got fish and now we are heading home. Here it is.
I'm going to Uddu. 10 o'clock only it is. We'll just go in 5-10 minutes. We'll chill out.
We are in Uddo beach right now, which is very close to our place. So in the evening we might come here again because they have a very good walking plaza. You can walk here, and over there is a very good restaurant. I think Spice Goa or something like that. So we might just come there for dinner. So this is a beach. Actually, this is the river mouth of Chapora River. And the beach is over there. So right now there is no one. It's 11 o'clock or 10:30 I think. So now we'll go back and cook that prawns which we got. So let's go. This is unconventional anniversary celebration. Ginger garlic paste, you can use that entire pouch. Yeah, enough. I think we'll have to cover and keep it for 30 minutes.
So you are main chef today, and I am sous chef. Main chef Anush and sous chef Jace. Look here, main chef. Where are you going?
I'll put up that.
Yeah. It's coming in 2 minutes. Yeah, food is here, food is here. Food is here. Food is there also. More food. This is anniversary lunch. I'll serve you all.
No, I'll take. This is squid masala, chonak curry, rice roti, and
Prawns.
homemade prawns. That's it. So I'll serve for you.
So. Enough. I'll take later.
Which is the old one?
Take this.
What do you need? One piece at least.
No, I don't.
It's around 6 o'clock in the evening and we are going out to see sunset. We're going to Udo Beach, which is just a few minutes away from our place. Morning, nobody was there. So many cars, but I think no.
Nice it is.
Touristy cars.
Tourist and local also.
MH, all are majority MH. We'll go towards the end, the other side. The dead end is there. Hey baby, now it's a high tide.
Little difference it will be.
No, massive difference. See? So we had come to this place in the morning, you must have already seen, and there was no one. And it was low tide and even the water level was too less. Now we can see people doing kayaking. It's 6:30 in the morning and we are going to Morjim Beach for a morning walk. So we are in Morjim right now, and we have parked our car over there. We are going to walk through this jungle, and we're going to reach the beach. So this side is the river, and this side is beach. So there's a river mouth here, the Chapora river mouth. 6:58 is sunrise. What time is it?
7 already.
So it's around 9 o'clock now, and we are going back. We reached around 6:50 or 7, I think. So we spent almost 2 hours here. It was good. There were so many people exercising. There were so many people doing yoga. There were so many people shooting reels. So it was fun. So we walked around. We got in water for some time. And now we're going back. So on the way we'll have breakfast and reach home.
Local transport service. This will be Morjim, Mapsa.
It's around 7 o'clock in the evening, and we are leaving from here. This is where we stayed. It's a very beautiful Airbnb house. Everything is arranged so well. There are so many lights. We really had a good time. So now the plan is to leave and reach home by 4 in the morning.
हाँ जी जी, अब ऊपर गई थी. हाँ हाँ.
आपको देखना है क्या? देखना है?
देखेगी.
ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू.
Thank you.
So 7:45 we are leaving back from Seolim to home.
Pune.
Yeah, hopefully we should reach by 4 in the morning. 4-5. Before 6 so definitely we'll reach. But let's see. So unplanned departure, but it's okay.
Unplanned? No, it's a planned, unplanned departure.
It was unplanned. That's now we have planned it.
So then it is not unplanned.
No, but it is always a plan. I think we are touching National Highway 66. This doesn't look like that. Little ahead. This is the highway, sorry. Now we touch the highway. That was a connecting road. This we have to travel for some time, then we're going to take a turn to go towards Amboli. So we have reached the border checkpost.
Stop RTO checkpost.
All fancy they made now. So it was not like this. Mumbai 520. Ratnagiri 187.
Pune 496.
That is Panvel. Pune ka board.
Hey, Pune. Why am I saying Pune then? Sindhudurg. We are in Maharashtra. Welcome to tourism district.
To Maharashtra.
Sindhudurg, Maharashtra. Homeland.
Meters, turn right.
Yeah, this is the same bridge which I was talking.
So straight, if you would have gone, then that is NH66. You can go.
Unbelievable.
So straight Sawantwadi ka. So this is that road which connects before. Remember while coming there was a check post and we said what shady road it is. It's not good.
I know this
that
road.
16 kilometers.
We have recorded also this road. Palalim to Pune. It's there on YouTube.
So while coming we avoided this because we were traveling at 3 in the morning. 3, 4. So we went to Sawantwadi and then came from our main X highway. Now it is just 8:40. So we shall go. And they have put barricades. They are not allowed to go. That time also we should go. Bad by that was right? Very bad patch.
National Highway 548H for 24 kilometers.
See, this turn is almost 180 degrees.
This one?
See this one? We literally go above one level. Straight, both roads are straight.
We just crossed Amboli Ghat and we have stopped here to eat dinner. So let's go and eat dinner now. It's around 10 o'clock now. Looks nice, as expected.
Very good.
National Highway 48.
We reached National Highway 48. This is Hotel Goa. No.
National Highway 48 for 2 kilometers.